Mower-Greenworks 80-volt 21-inch mower. I've been looking forward to getting one of these for quite a while. Big things with having the battery electric mower. Two things I hated the most about mowing is the fumes from the mower and the mower stalling or bogging down. So with the electric motor, with all that torque, you can go through real thick, wet grass, goes right through it, no problem. Don't have to worry about starting it, maintenance, oil changes, nothing like that. So I've had this for just the summer now. It's working great. But just wanted to show you guys some thicker grass and how it does. Alright, so biggest reason I decided to go with the Greenworks 80-volt setup is I already had the batteries from the chainsaw and the backpack leaf blower. Awesome tools, by the way. As far as battery electric, you're getting a ton of power out of them. I believe they rate the chainsaw at about 2.7 horsepower, so interchangeable battery that you can use through all your tools. With the 80 volt, you're getting to pull the electricity out of the battery a lot more efficiently with that higher voltage. So you can pull a lot more power out of those. So just like with your cordless drills, they keep going up on the voltages, get you more power. Same thing with the yard tools here. So as far as how much can you cut with the mower, that's going to be your next big question. Well, I've got a big yard, how much can I cut? So with the 2 amp hour battery, the standard run, you're going to be able to cut just under half acre. So not bad. Now they also have a set where they sell the mower with two 2 amp hour batteries and the charger. Now that charger will charge the 2 amp hour battery from dead to completely full in a half hour. So if you have 2 of them, you can actually charge faster than you're discharging in the mower. So you'll actually always have a battery ready to go. So you can actually cut, you know, unlimited, as much as you're willing to cut with a 21-inch mower with the 2 batteries, because they charge so fast. Other nice thing about the mower, it does have load sensing technology on it. So if your grass is real wet and thick, it is actually going to ramp up, run a little bit faster. And if your grass isn't too tall or thinner, it's going to run a little bit lower there. Other great thing about having a battery electric mower, when you go to store it in your garage, since you don't have any oil or anything in it, just put it up against the wall. Set it upright, takes up almost no space against the wall there, which is great. So, hope you liked it. That's my thoughts on the Greenworks 80-volt mower. Absolutely love it. Definitely if you're going from a gas mower to this, it's going to be amazing. Also, I had for just last year before I got this, I had a corded plug-in electric mower. Cuts like a beast, but you do have to fight with the cord the whole time. So whenever you can get rid of the cord and get the battery power, that is awesome. Great place to find these is Amazon has really good deals on all the Greenworks tools. So I'll drop a link in the description below and go ahead and click through that, and they will know that I sent you there to get the tools. So thanks for that. Alright, well enjoy guys, and enjoy the quieter, more peaceful summer afternoons in the future.